Hello everyone, this is Mentor Sabrina, and today I'm going to show you about how to do some basic output print statements in Python. So a print statement is nice and simple in Python. You just write print and then put whatever it is that you want to print. If you want to print something like hello world, then you put it inside of quotes. You can use double quotes or single quotes for this. They both work. And whenever you have any words inside of quotes, that is called a string. Now, any words you put, you're going to want them to be in a string. So just keep that in mind. If I hit run, voila, it says hello world over here on the right side of the screen. Now, if I want to print a number, I can write print and then the number. If I want to do some math, I can do print 3 plus 4, and that will print out 7. Or I could do print 20 minus 7 and get 13. Note that you don't need to have a space in between the numbers and the sign. It'll still work either way, but to make it easier to read, it's always good to put spaces between characters. If I want to do multiplication, I use the asterisk, which is the star, that's shift 8. And if I want to do division, I use a slash. So let's do 120 divided by 5. There's another operator that I will show you later in other lessons possibly, but those are the 4 main ones. If you want to do multiplication to a string, let's do this. If I do that, it prints out hello 5 times with space. However, if you notice, when I try to print out, let's try hello, and then I use a plus sign, that's the concatenation symbol when you're using strings. If I use a number here, what do you think will happen? Do you think that it will do just like the way times 5 did? It will not. Instead, it will give you an error. This error is telling you that it doesn't know what to do with this plus sign. It doesn't know, do I treat it like a string and do hello and a 3 at the end, or do I treat this like it's a number because this isn't a number? So instead, the way we can do this is instead of a plus, we can use a comma, or we can do plus and then use str around it. Or in this case, because the number is just the number itself, we can just do that. And all of them work the same, except if you notice, this one has 2 spaces. That's because this comma here adds another space there. What else to show you? Well, for printing out, that's pretty much all you need to know. So I will see you in another lesson possibly. That's output. That's just basic output in Python. In other videos, I will show you input, I will show you variables, I will show you loops. Just look at the other videos.